What you want to do is mark a line where you want your sleeves, the length of your sleeves will be. Now you turn your shirt inside out and make sure you flatten the fabric. Measure the sleeve length starting from the seam line on your shoulder. Add 1 inch seam allowance plus an additional ½ inch. Align the top of your sleeve with the horizontal line on your mat. Align the first chalk mark on your sleeve to the vertical line of your mat, making sure that you will create a 90-degree angle. With your ruler, draw a line across, making sure that you follow the grid line on your board. Do the same to the other sleeve. Now we are going to adjust the lower seam. So first thing we're going to do is fold the sleeve where the line is, the first line. Mark a line on the folded end of the sleeve. The width of the sleeve should be the same as the width where you marked that line. Now you want to draw a line from the point or from the mark all the way out to the end of the sleeve. Then draw another line from the point to where the sleeve connects to the body. In other words, down and on the armhole. Now we're going to the sewing machine and we're going to stitch where you draw the line. You can use a serger to reinforce it, or you can do a zigzag stitch if you don't have a serger. I was using stitch number 19 on my Brother 400. Cut the excess fabric. Now let's go to the ironing board and we're going to fold on the first chalk mark and then iron it. Now we're going to make another fold on the second chalk mark and then iron it. Do the same thing with the other sleeve. Now we're going to our sewing machine and stitch the hemline. If you learned something from this video, please click like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.